Hello, this is Dr. A.J. Hunziker at American Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. People often ask me, is it safe to treat infants and children? The answer is yes. Very simply, the first thing that happens to an infant that's traumatic is being born. You are born into this world oftentimes through C-section, which is a surgery. Now, here at American Chiropractic, I often do a complimentary initial exam for a baby, and the main reason is to check to see if there's any issues. A child, especially an infant, doesn't always need an adjustment. The idea is to check and see if they do, and if they do, then do the proper adjustment. And as you become a child, around 2 years old, what do you start doing? You start to walk. And as you walk, you start to repetitively fall onto your butt. Then you start crawling on the playground and falling and things like this. Now, when you come into me with a child, somewhere from 2 to 5 years old, I may check the child and not even do an adjustment. Really, the reason why we're checking children at that capacity is to make sure that they don't have bigger issues. A lot of times we're asked about ear infections, one of the most important things. And people ask, how does chiropractic help ear infections? Very simply, you get inflammation in your throat for tonsillitis, your adenoids swell, things like this. Well, your ears actually drain into your throat. If you're having swelling in your throat, and then it swells those what's called eustachian tubes, often the drainage won't function properly. If you can remove that inflammation and reduce the adherence in the pathway, the eustachian tubes will drain properly, which will allow the fluid not to build up in the ears, which causes infection. Often this is used very complementary to your allopathic medicine to not only remove those issues, but to remove them faster and often prevent the ear infection from ever happening. Thank you again from American Chiropractic. If you have questions, please go ahead and give us a call.